Okay guys, here we go. I know you guys are wanting to see something. I want to see something because this is going to be gorgeous. Wait a second. Look down here. There you go. Good camera. Why are you looking way up there? Crazy thing. What's up all you Kevins? I got a cool install video for you today, alright? AZA Auto Wheel Domestic. They have sent me a new steering wheel for Bimini Blue, the Bluetooth, alright? The blue coupe, and I'm about to get it set up, okay? We're gonna put it on, install it, change it out for the factory horn, button, style with the airbags, change everything over, alright? So I'm gonna show you guys what's in this box because this thing is freaking fire, all right? Go check them out, link in the description, AZA or AZA Auto Wheel Direct. All right, let's check this gorgeous thing out. Wow, very well protected. Actually, I've already opened this and I redid it, but this thing, wow, it's just gorgeous. Wow, look at that. The style I went with, all right, what they do is they take factory wheels, okay? They have in stock, which is really key. You don't have to take your wheel off and send it to them. They have factory wheels in their facility. What they do is they take the factory wheel without the airbag for obviously my style that I've got is a 91, and then they customize it to your liking. So in this, what I've done here is this is alcantara leather, really nice, high quality, flat bottomed, carbon fiber, and we did a nardo gray like stripe on the top at the 12 o'clock mark. Really good looking steering wheel. Because it is factory, all right, very nice dark gray stitching. Because it's factory, this fits in perfect. You don't have to worry about a lot of things, and it's just a lot better compliance with everything you're trying to do on the wheel. You can put your factory airbag and all the buttons. So next, we're gonna show you how to do that and what I'm doing as far as getting everything started. So on the car, here's where I'm at. I've already gone and unhooked the negative battery. I'm a Ford Motorsport apron here. So negative battery terminal, take that off, making sure you don't wanna mess with anything while you're working with the airbag itself. So next, there's a lot of stuff that's already been covered online. A lot of people have already done this video and done a really good job with it. So I'm skipping ahead a little bit, but if you see, you got my stock wheel in here, still connected. I gotta use my puller to get it off. There's the airbag already taken off. Basically, you have the 4 bolts that come out from behind the steering wheel, okay? So you've got right here, you got 1, 2, and the same on the other side itself. You loosen those, the airbag just easily pulls out. You have 2 connector pins you disconnect, okay, for the airbag, for the horn button, and any of your other electronics. First, you're gonna need a specific tool, and it is a steering wheel puller, all right? My good buddy Ron lent this to me, so I didn't have to rent one. Most places will probably rent them or you can purchase one. But anyways, we're gonna get this thing out and we're gonna get going with it. You'll need a 15 millimeter and an impact socket to easily remove the center nut. I already had it loosened, but it's pretty simple. Otherwise, you'll have to hold it you'll have to hold the steering wheel with your hand. The factory bolts are 5/16 fine thread. All right, so as you can see, we're gonna be taking this the rest of the way off. So we're just gonna tighten this. And doesn't take much, comes right off. Do this a little bit of cleaning. Some dust and some sand and dirt and stuff in here. Clean that real good. And then we will put on the new wheel from AZA Auto Wheel. Ooh, that's gonna look so good. Oh my God, that just totally changed the interior. Holy cow. I wish it was that easy. Like, done, yay. Not that it's that hard, but man, that is just gonna, whew. I love this flat bottom. Really gonna give it some extra room. That is super cool. All right, so this one has a clip, all right? As you can see on both sides, has this clip here that goes around, okay? And there's 3 of these little things here. So on the underside, kind of just start at one end carefully. And it takes a little bit more than you think, and then you can kind of use your fingernails, just one at a time. But this whole inside, there we go. All right, so see now all 3 of these clips have come up, and you think, oh, there's something on the backside. The backside doesn't pull up, okay? There's 2 screws under here. This whole piece, all right, has to come up and over carefully over the buttons. So you kind of want to pull up on this carefully, quick, and then go over like that, all right? And spin it around, all right? And then on the back side, it pushes down and off. So those 3 hold it down. So it goes like that and around. Okay. All right, so this is for this side. Keep it correct. This one on that side, and this one on this side. All right, now, as you can see, now we've got 4 Phillips head screws that hold it in, and then that's it. It's all gonna come out. We're gonna be able to change it out, put it in the new wheel. All right, the other horn button. Basically what we're doing here is pushing from the back side. We have new material here, so I don't wanna mess that up. So we wanna kind of push this kind of easily, and then we wanna just kind of make sure that we kind of peel that back around so it doesn't pull it back off of the wheel at all. So careful with that. And then you can kind of just easily push through. The very back of this clip's kind of bigger, so you gotta make sure you be careful with it. There you go. And that just comes all the way through. Just go easy with it. Here we go. Your wiring. The button has a couple of these little extra wide pieces on the back right there. And those will go down. I'm gonna clean this out first. All right, so almost all done. Got all the wires tucked back through underneath here. All right, and these last little clips or covers going back over here. So as you see, this goes down. Okay, like that, and all those little edges grab. And then you basically just pull it over. Kind of quickly, all right? And then all those little tabs just snap back into place. And there we go, everything's back in place. All the buttons, everything. Man, that is looking good. Let's go put it on the car. All right, we have the steering wheel ready to be put back on, and kind of clean this up a little bit, and now beautiful new wheel. So let's wrap, or not wrap, but insert both of our little electrical butt connectors here for our wiring. Put them through there, and this is only going to fit on really in one particular way really well. We want to clock it the way we had it. All right, so that's how it was. That's what we want to go with. 15 millimeter deep well, got a small extension for our center bolt here. Give us plenty of clearance. Tighten this. All right, and it says refer to shop manual before removing steering wheel. Wheel attaching bolt torque 23 to 33 foot-pounds. So this is going to have to go away. I'm just going to snug it down a little bit with this. There we go. Just under 30 foot-pounds of torque. Center bolt's back on. Man, that wheel looks good. Woo! That is looking so good. Battery is still disconnected somewhere there. Oh my gosh. Feels really good. I mean, the quality of these wheels, yeah, they are very nice. This carbon fiber feels excellent. The Alcantara. I like how they do a little bit of modernization here, and that fits really well. I can tell that's going to be nice. I love the flat bottom. AZA Auto Wheel. You guys knocked it out of the park. Thank you so much for the steering wheel. Can't tell you how much I'm going to enjoy it. And now it's to put the airbag back on. Let's connect these wires and turn the battery back on and maybe go for a drive in this puppy. There we go. Get that clipped in. Line the holes up. Woo! Man, that looks cool. That looks really cool. I like that it's a stock touch, but very custom. All the buttons are there. I mean, it looks really good. It's not too much. I see a lot of wheels that are kind of too much, and for me personally, it's not too much. It really isn't. I actually liked the Alcantara better than I did the leather. The perforated leather makes it look really new. I feel like the Alcantara still kind of keeps a little bit of a muted touch. The carbon fiber, I like the dark color on the ring here, the dark gray. I feel like the blues and the reds and stuff like that, for me personally, again, it's too much, too modern. But man, it looks great. I really like it. All right, last thing, we have our 4 nuts that go in the back. But that's it. Put these last 4 nuts, attach your airbag back, connect your negative battery terminal. Pretty easy installation. If you would like your own custom steering wheel for your Foxbody or other Mustang, or really any car or truck, go to AZA Auto Wheel _domestic. And what the nicest thing about this, guys, that I really liked is I did not have to send out. You saw I had both steering wheels. I did not have to send out my steering wheel and be without a steering wheel while this was getting custom made. All right, they've got stock blanks ready for your Mustang over there across the pond. They get these things done, and they are really high quality. And when you get them, you just swap them out like you saw me do. So anyways, go check them out and tell them Foxbody FX sent you. Special thanks to our sponsors, Kenny Brown Performance and National Parts Depot. Kenny Brown Performance offers a free 15-minute consultation one-on-one to find out about how to increase your performance on your car. And National Parts Depot, the only parts company out there that still puts out a free full-color catalog for all your Foxbody, all Mustangs up to 2004. So go check them out as well at mpdlink.com or kennybrown.com. And thanks again for sponsoring Foxbody FX.